Hello guys, it's me, Survival Guy 13 with MineCraftMan 182, and we think this train just broke down. They haven't been moving. Oh, what are they gonna do? It's still not moving. What's going on?
I think it broke down.
I hear them trying to move. Oh, okay. Well, in the meantime, let's look for some more fishing lures. We've already found 7.
Got Jacob from taking out flies.
I'm gonna go look for some more. Is the thing broke down or they stopped purposely? Oh, there's the guy driving the train.
Hey Jacob, you can see the guy.
Yeah, I know. And I'm not gonna look up there because if he thinks I'm recording a video, then he'll probably yell at us. I don't know. Let's go. It still broke down, but the
My thing fell off.
your tip fell off again. Catch the thing. Where'd it go? Where's your tip? Damien, where's your tip? Oh, I thought you meant the actual tip of the whole half of the pole. Oh. Tip of the top loop. It's still stuck up there.
Going thing. I'm not gonna just. I don't know what I'm gonna do whenever I get home. Yep, the second half of my pole almost fell off though.
That train needs to get moving. They're gonna be late.
Wait for what?
Thomas.
Thomas the Tank Engine.
See any more lures?
That's what I'm trying to look for. You got. Same one as yours.
Woohoo! Looting the finds.
Alright.
So that makes 8.
This bad Jesse right here.
Let's get stolen.
Oh, Jake, if you touch it, you're getting hooked.
No promises.
Oh my god, Jake, my tip went with my bait again.
Let's just get a close up.
Jesus.
Oh, there's the top.
What if it gets snagged and I lose it?
Oh, that'd be terrible.
Screw it, I'm going back to base.
The train is still closed. Going back to restock.
Wave at the guy. Wave at him, 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 wave. Just wave back.
He's not gonna wave.
Just wave back. Just wave back, man. Just do it. Come on, don't be, come on. Don't be mean. Hello. 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 What an a-hole. He won't wave back.
Here, let's... Oh my gosh.
Here.
Damien.
What a wave back. What do you expect?
Do you see any more? Watch, when I watch this video, it's probably going to be more on the ground too.
We need more PKers in Edgeville to drop some loot.
Exactly. Is it moving?
No. Oh! Haha! Best of the day!
Oh my gosh.
Do I win?
No. Dang, flip over the big rocks, won't you? They're still down.
Hi! Hello! Anybody? Mr. Choo Choo Dude! Yeah, because I don't think that guy likes me very much.
No, he doesn't. Oh, they're moving! They're moving!
Moving!
Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Alright, he's got moving. You could just think of the happy music that'd be playing in a movie right about now. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. Keep watching the videos to see what's next, and see you later.